Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a visual way to solve systems of equations by graphing. This method helps you see exactly how the equations relate to each other. First, what is a system of equations? It's simply a group of two or more equations that share the same variables. In our examples, we will focus on two linear equations with the variables x and y. When we talk about solving a system, we are looking for a specific pair of x and y values that make both of the equations true. It's the one unique solution that satisfies every equation in the system. The graphing method turns these abstract equations into something we can see. Every linear equation corresponds to a straight line on a graph. The solution to the system is the single point where these lines cross or intersect. Let's start with our first step. Take the first equation, which is y equals x plus 2. We graph this line on a coordinate plane. The y-intercept is at 2 and the slope is 1. Next, we graph the second equation, y equals negative 2x plus 8, on the same coordinate plane. Its y-intercept is at 8 and its slope is negative 2. Now you can see both lines at once. The third step is to find the exact point where the two lines intersect. By looking at the graph, we can see that the lines cross at the point where x is 2 and y is 4. This is our potential solution. The final and most important step is to check our work. We substitute x equals 2 and y equals 4 back into both of our original equations. For the first equation, 4 equals 2 plus 2, which is true. For the second, 4 equals negative 2 times 2 plus 8, which is also true. Since the point works for both, we know our solution is correct. Sometimes, the lines you graph are parallel. This means they have the same slope and will never, ever intersect. In this situation, there is no point that can make both equations true, which means there is no solution to the system. Another special case occurs when the two equations actually describe the exact same line. Because the lines overlap everywhere, every point on the line is a solution. This means there are an infinite number of solutions. So to recap, first, graph both lines. Second, find the point of intersection. Third, check your solution. The intersection will tell you if you have one solution, no solution if the lines are parallel, or infinitely many solutions if they are the same line. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.